Good morning children, welcome to today's class. Today I am going to discuss about the project which is given to you all. Uh, as you know, as you know that as you all know, only one topic you have to choose, and you can choose your own topic also. In the last line it is written there. You just see. Uh, you can choose your own topic, but that must be from the syllabus. So in the live class I have already discussed about this. Uh, if you are going to make the model, atomic model, a molecular model of ammonia is given. Other than ammonia also you can choose your own other molecule, but take a simple one, okay, and it should be perfect. Just the model should be nicely prepared, and you have to say few words. Whichever topic you are choosing, on that you have to say few words, okay. So this is, and air exert pressure on this. So on air exert pressure, if you are choosing this, experiment is given there in the book also. In activity it is given. So from there you can do, you can use normal mineral water bottles, and you have to make a hole just like, say this. Suppose this is the mineral water bottle. Suppose, can you see it properly? Just a second, no, hold on. Now I think it is clear. So this is the mouth. So boiled egg cannot fit here. So you have to just remove it. You have to cut it, and you have to make a little bit big hole there so that it can the egg can fit there. Okay, just kind of this kind of hole you have to make there. Okay, this kind of hole you have to make there so that the egg can enter. Okay, and this side again another outlet you have to make. So if you think this is a bit difficult, then other experiments are also there on the basis of this air exert pressure on this. So using a glass of water and a cardboard, okay, that you can do, that experiment you can do. See, just giving the brief. Okay. This you just search in the internet. You will be getting all the informations there. Okay. Okay, you will be getting the informations there. So here we have to. This is a glass filled with water. Up to the rim you have to fill. Okay. If less water you take, then it will not work on you. So here you have to put the cardboard in this manner, okay, and slowly you have to make it upside down, and when you will hold this part just like this, then the cardboard will be, so it will remain in this manner, it will not fall. Okay, so as air will apply pressure on the cardboard, okay, so it will keep it in this manner, and the water inside the glass will remain as it is. So this you can do, this experiment you can do. Another experiment based on diffusion is there, that is moving water or running or walking water. So you just search by this name, you will be getting. So this is done. Another one which you can do, that is walking water or moving water. Moving water or walking water. This experiment also you can do. You just search in the internet. We need few glasses and few colors we need, and we need some tissue papers. Okay, so with that, this experiment will show the diffusion based on the property of diffusion of water. this experiment is based on that. Okay, so this is also a very simple experiment which you can do. Or with the balloon and the air, some experiment is there, that also you can use. Okay, and this is one. Another experiment is there with ice. Okay, ice and cold water. This will turn to ice if you put it in a glass. Okay, so suppose you have to keep the water in keep the water in freezer for 3 to 4 hours, like. Okay, this will depend on the quantity of water. So if you keep it in freezer, and then slowly you have to, without shaking and all, shaking much, you have to take it out from the refrigerator, and if you put it in a glass, then slowly it will there, or if you just at a time, if you shake it, it will turn to ice. Okay, the water will turn to ice. So just at a time it will be. And this experiment also you can show. It will it's a safe experiment and it will not take much time. So these things also we have to keep in mind. Within 90 seconds you have to yes, within 90 seconds you have to finish everything. So time is a factor here, and the experiment which you are choosing, that must be safe. Okay, so these things are there, so this experiment can be done. And if you take a ice cube here, and if you pour the cold water in this glass, suppose this is the ice cube, and you are pouring the cold water slowly on this ice, and slowly it will on this ice only we will get this again the formation of the ice will be there on this ice cube. That means the cold water which we are pouring on this, that will convert to ice. Okay, so this is a very nice experiment. You will get fun there. So that experiment also can be chosen for this. So what else? Acha, one more experiment is there, that is again diffusion. Okay, this is again based on diffusion. So in a glass you are taking some hot water, and in a glass you are taking some normal water. Okay, now you put few drops of ink. Okay, don't shake it, just put few drops of ink in both of the glasses, and you will see in the hot water glass, where in the glass where we have taken hot water, there the ink or whatever colors you are using, that will diffuse faster. It will, without shaking and without stirring only, it will in the whole water the color will spread. But in the next glass where we have taken cold water or normal water, there the means by this time it will not mix. Okay, only in it will a little bit of diffusion will be, you can see there. So this experiment also can be done. So whatever you are doing, you have to explain it, the reason you have to explain this also, you have to keep in mind. Okay, so these things you do, you can now you have access of internet and all this will help you a lot. There you can I just I told whatever experiment I told, all you will be getting there. Okay, how you have to do, or what precautions you have to take, everything in detail it will be there. So you can take help from there also. Okay, so this one, so what experiment I told, one is water with hot water and cold water, this is number one. Okay, with hot water and cold water, that is diffusion. Based on diffusion, this one. Okay, with hot water and cold water. Next, moving water or moving water, this is also based on diffusion of water. Okay, moving water, this is also based on diffusion. Next, we have seen this number 3, this ice and formation of ice from cold water, this is there. And another one is with the air exert pressure, there one is there already in the book, from there you can do. Or another one with the cardboard and glass, glass full of water, that also you can do. So 3, 4, 5. Okay, these 5 experiments are there. So out of this 5, any one you can do, or if any other experiment if you are getting, that also you can do. But that must be two things. You just while you are choosing the experiment, you just keep that in mind. It should be, you have to explain the reason and all, everything you have to explain in few words only. You have to explain, because time is not, we don't have much time in our hand. Okay, only 90 seconds is there. By this time you have to finish everything. So this is a factor, this you have to keep in mind. And another thing is there, before doing that, before taking this, you just at your home you just practice it, so that easily, smoothly you can show it. Okay, this is these are the experiments. And if model you can, if you want to make, that also you can do. You can take you can send the pictures also. It's not that only, but for experiments showing picture only, this will not work. You have to show it, you have to do it. That means you have to take the video only. But for model, if you are going for model making, then you can take the picture of the model and you can send. That can be done. Or if you want to make the video of that, that also can be done. Okay, so in this manner you can do this. Hope it is clear now. Any one experiment you have to do. Okay, any one. So hope now no problem is there, everything is clear. So you go for it. All the best.